Welcome to MCQ Mastery, your smart way to stay ahead with the latest current affairs for competitive exams. Don't forget to like, hype, share, and subscribe to never miss an important update. For the PDF, join the channel and check the description below. Now, let's jump straight into today's first question. Indian weightlifter Mirabai Chanu won a gold medal at the 2026 Commonwealth Games in which weight category? Correct answer. D. Women's 48 kilograms. Who wrote the book titled The Second Orbit? Correct answer. C. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla. Next question. Which country won the 2026 FIFA World Cup by defeating Argentina? Correct answer. B. Spain. Next question. What is India's rank in the Global Passport Index 2026? Correct answer. D. 125. Next question. Who became the first Indian to win the World Junior Squash Championship? Correct answer. D. Anahat Singh. Next question. Who became the first Indian to win the 2026 Japan Open Women's Singles title by defeating Japan's Akane Yamaguchi? Correct answer. A. P.V. Sindhu. Next question. Which medal did Indian weightlifter Chanambam Rishikanta Singh win at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer. B. Silver. In main 60 kilograms weightlifting event. Next question. What is the rank of India in Foreign Direct Investment FDI 2026? Correct answer. D. 11th. Next question. Who recently resigned from the post of Union Minister of Education? Correct answer. C. Dharmendra Pradhan. Next question. Keiko Fujimori was elected president of which country? Correct answer. B. Peru. Next question. Who has taken over the additional charge as India's new education minister? Correct answer. C. Prahlad Joshi. Next question. How many sports are featured in total at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer. B. 10. Next question. Who won the 2026 Wimbledon Women's Singles title? Correct answer. A. Linda Noskova. Next question. Who has won the 2026 Wimbledon Men's Singles title? Correct answer. B. Jannik Sinner. Next question. Which two states signed an MoU to implement the Yamuna Water Project? Correct answer. B. Haryana and Rajasthan. Next question. Who was selected as the best actor at the 72nd National Film Awards? Correct answer. D. Both A and B. Next question. Which film won the Best Feature Film Award at the 72nd National Film Awards? Correct answer. C. Article 370. Next question. Which film won the award for Best Bengali Film at the 72nd National Film Awards? Correct answer. D. Chalchitra Ekho. Next question. Ethan Vaz has become India's which Grandmaster? Correct answer. D. 96. Next question. Who was honored with the Sports Journalists Federation of India SJFI Gold Medal? Correct answer. D. Viswanathan Anand. Next question. Who topped Fortune India's Most Powerful Women 2026 list? Correct answer. B. Neeta Ambani. Next question. Who has been honored with the AAPI Humanitarian Award and the Key to the City of Tampa? Correct answer. D. Neeta Ambani. Next question. What is India's position in the medal tally at the Asian U23 Athletics Championships 2026? Correct answer. A. 4th. India won 3 gold, 4 silver and 9 bronze medals. Next question. Recently deceased Padma Vibhushan awardee Tejan Bai was associated with which art form? Correct answer. B. Pandavani. Next question. In which country will the Global AI Summit 2027 be held? Correct answer. B. Switzerland. Next question. What medal did Indian badminton player Kidambi Srikanth win in the US Open men's singles? Correct answer. A. Silver. Next question. A 700-year-old banyan tree from which state was recognized as the world's oldest banyan tree? Correct answer. C. Bihar. Next question. In which state is the Adani Group building South Asia's largest private missile manufacturing ecosystem? Correct answer. D. Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Who won the Golden Ball Award at the FIFA World Cup 2026? Correct answer. A. Rodri. Next question. How many products from Himachal Pradesh recently received a GI tag? Correct answer. C. 8. Next question. In which state did the Geological Survey of India, GSI, recently find thorium-rich minerals? Correct answer. B. Karnataka. Next question. Who has assumed charge as the Chairman and Managing Director, CMD, of Hindustan Shipyard Limited, HSL? Correct answer. A. Rear Admiral Chandrasekharan Raghuram. Next question. The name of Jalalabad town in which state has been changed to Parshurampuri? Correct answer. D. Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Who has assumed charge as the director of the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, VSSC? Correct answer. C. Dr. U.P. Rajiv. Next question. Where will Asia's largest aero show, Aero India 2027, be held? Correct answer. A. Bangalore. Next question. Who won the Golden Boot Award at the FIFA World Cup 2026? Correct answer. C. Kylian Mbappe. Next question. Which state secured the top position in the Niti Aayog Investment Friendliness Index 2026? Correct answer. A. Gujarat. Next question. Which former Indian cricket captain has been appointed as the new brand ambassador for Insurance Dekho? Correct answer. B. Sourav Ganguly. Next question. What is India's rank in the UN Sustainable Development Goals, SDG, Index 2026? Correct answer. C. 94. Next question. At which airport was India's first Gagan-based satellite landing approach successfully conducted? Correct answer. B. Udaipur. Next question. Which city is hosting the Commonwealth Games 2026? Correct answer. B. Glasgow. Next question. Who recently made his debut as India's youngest international cricketer ever? Correct answer. B. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Next question. Who won the 2026 AVC Men's Volleyball Cup title by defeating South Korea? Correct answer. C. Indonesia. Next question. Which Indian cricketer made history by becoming the first female cricketer to score a test century at Lord's Cricket Ground? Correct answer. C. Yastika Bhatia. Next question. Who has been honored with the Bharat Samman 2026 award in recognition of her lifelong contribution to women's empowerment and social development? Correct answer. D. Dr. Nandini Azad. Next question. How many new faunal species were added to India's biodiversity database in 2025? Correct answer. C. 709. Next question. Which country won the inaugural Women's T20 IDEF cricket series? Correct answer. C. India. Next question. How many medals has India won at the Global Skills Challenge 2026? Correct answer. C. 5. Next question. In which state did PM Narendra Modi inaugurate India's first greenfield integrated refinery cum petrochemical complex? Correct answer. B. Rajasthan. Next question. Who has been nominated as the next Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Correct answer. A. Andy Burnham. Next question. Who has taken over the additional charge as the Chairman and Managing Director of Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, IREDA? Correct answer. A. Vijay Kumar Mohanty. Next question. Who won the Golden Gloves Award at the FIFA World Cup 2026? Correct answer. B. Unai Simon. Next question. How many total medals did India win at the U15 and U20 Asian Wrestling Championships 2026? Correct answer. B. 41. Next question. Recently deceased Sir Garfield Sobers was a cricketer from which country? Correct answer. D. West Indies. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Police Commissioner of Delhi? Correct answer. D. Anurag Kumar. Next question. Who has been reappointed as the Chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT? Correct answer. D. Ravi Agrawal. Next question. Which country won the 7th ICC Women's T20 World Cup title? Correct answer. A. Australia. Next question. How many medals did India win at the ISSF Junior World Championship 2026? Correct answer. B. 25. Next question. Who won the Austrian Grand Prix 2026 title? Correct answer. D. George Russell. Next question. What is the rank of the Indian Air Force, IAF, in the list of world air powers in the WDMM 2026 Global Air Power Rankings? Correct answer. D. 3rd. Next question. India's Ministry of Tourism signed an MoU with whom to boost the digital promotion of tourism destinations? Correct answer. D. Google India. Next question. Serhii Koretsky has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer. A. Ukraine. Next question. In which country is IIM Bangalore going to establish its first overseas campus? Correct answer. B. Indonesia. Next question. Where was the 36th NATO Summit 2026 held? Correct answer. D. Ankara, Turkey. Next question. Which state has received approval to construct India's first offshore airport? Correct answer. C. Maharashtra. Next question. What is India's rank in the Most Influential Countries ranking of US News and World Report 2026? Correct answer. B. 16th. Next question. Who launched the book titled The Voice of Justice? Justice Gavi Speaks? Correct answer. C. Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was recently honored with which country's highest state award, Bintang Adipurna? Correct answer. B. Indonesia. Next question. Where was the 29th National Conference on E-Governance, NCEG, 2026 held? Correct answer. D. Jaipur. Next question. Which is India's first state to produce matcha tea commercially? Correct answer. D. Assam. Next question. Former Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar has been appointed chairman of which bank? Correct answer. D. HDFC Bank. Next question. What is the name of the official mascot of the 23rd Commonwealth Games 2026? Correct answer. C. Finny. Next question. Which state recently approved a 2,295 crore rupees deep sea fishing mission? Correct answer. C. Odisha. Next question. Which state will host the 8th Khelo India Youth Games 2026? Correct answer. D. Telangana. Next question. Aswath S has become the how many-th Grandmaster of India? Correct answer. B. 98. Next question. Which state recorded the highest number of cyber fraud complaints in India in the first half of 2026? Correct answer. A. Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Sanjeev Jain has been appointed as India's next ambassador to which country? Correct answer. B. North Korea. Next question. By defeating which team did India win the bronze medal in the AVC Mains Volleyball Cup 2026? Correct answer. D. Bahrain. Next question. Who became the third Indian female cricketer and the 13th Indian cricketer overall to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? Correct answer. B. Anjum Chopra. Next question. Which country partnered with India in the inauguration of the Manas and Mahabharat International Center for Civilizational Studies? Correct answer. D. Kyrgyzstan. Next question. Which Indian shooter won the women's trap gold medal at the ISSF Shotgun World Cup 2026? Correct answer. C. Neeru Dhanda. Next question. Who won the Formula 1 Pirelli British Grand Prix 2026? Correct answer. B. Charles Leclerc. Next question. Who won the silver medal in the women's 57 kg judo event at the Commonwealth Games 2026? Correct answer. C. Yamini Maurya. Next question. How many schools from India made it to the top 10 shortlist of the world's best school prizes 2026? Correct answer. C. 7. Next question. Which organization launched India's first private orbital rocket named Vikram 1? Correct answer. D. Skyroot Aerospace. Next question. Who won India's first medal at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer. C. Para powerlifter Jhandu Kumar. Next question. From where has the country's first hub-and-spoke flight service been launched? Correct answer. C. Varanasi. Next question. In which sport did Raja Muthupandi win a silver medal at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer. D. Weightlifting, main 65 kg category. Next question. The Bojuli wetland of which state recently received recognition as a Biodiversity Heritage Site, BHS? Correct answer, A. Assam. Next question. Where was the BRICS Women Ministerial Meeting 2026 held? Correct answer, B. Kochi. Next question. Who has become India's 97th Grandmaster? Correct answer, B. Harshavardhan GB. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new director of the National Crime Records Bureau, NCRB? Correct answer, A. Amit Garg. Next question. Who won India's first gold medal at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer, A. Mirabai Chanu. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Player Ambassador of the Asian Tennis Federation, ATF? Correct answer, A. Leander Paes. Next question. When is National Doctors' Day observed? Correct answer, D. 1st July. Next question. India signed an MoU with which country to strengthen cooperation in water resource management? Correct answer, A. Saudi Arabia. Next question. Who won the gold medal in the women's 48 kg judo event at the Commonwealth Games 2026? Correct answer, A. Asmita De. Next question. Which state has approved the 313.3 crore rupees Pradhan Mantri Cha Shramik Protsahan Yojana PMCSPY for tea garden workers? Correct answer, A. West Bengal. Next question. Who won the bronze medal at the Commonwealth Games 2026 in men's javelin throw? Correct answer, C. Yashveer Singh. Next question. When is Kargil Vijay Divas observed? Correct answer, A. 26th July. Next question. Who won the silver medal in the men's javelin throw at the 2026 Commonwealth Games? A. Neeraj Chopra. B. Nderson Peters. C. Yashveer Singh. D. Ramesh Tarang Patharij. Give the correct answer in the comment box. Wanna take your prep to the next level? Join our channel for exclusive perks like PDFs, ebooks, monthly current affairs MCQs, and so much more. Tap join button or scan the QR code, links in the description. Don't miss out. For more updates, join our social media pages. That's a wrap. Hit the subscribe button, do like, hype, comments and share. More quizzes coming your way.